Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of the video is "He laughed at the taser, but didn't see the pepper spray coming." Man, they caught him off guard with it, huh? Hit him with that act right, huh? All right, let's get into it, man.
In late June 2024, police were dispatched for a trouble with party call in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The caller reported that her 59-year-old brother named Edward was experiencing a mental crisis, screaming and damaging property. She also mentioned that he carried a knife and that she had locked herself in the bathroom for safety. The previous day, police had been called to the same address after a neighbor reported that Edward was outside yelling and swearing while holding a shovel. Additionally, he was currently out on bond from a prior arrest for resisting after he had barricaded himself in a hotel room. He is also a convicted felon and registered sex offender from an incident that occurred in 1999.
Hello, what's going on? Did you call, ma'am?
Yes, I want him removed from this property.
Okay, what's going on?
He is very abusive. He has rearranged my mom's whole house.
Okay.
He cannot stay here. It's my other brother's house.
Okay.
And he was just released from jail the other day.
Okay.
Because he barricaded himself into a motel room.
Okay. So what did he do today? Here?
He's screaming and hollering. Her central air won't work no more because he broke it in there.
How did he break it?
It just won't work.
I know,
The
but did he
furnace won't work,
hit it or
and
smash
he
it?
cannot be here. He's a sex offender.
Okay.
And the school's right up this hill.
Okay, I'll go talk to him. He's out here?
Yeah, he's out there.
Okay. Hi, Ed.
You got some screen card?
I do.
That's it?
No.
Hold on. This is his sister, right? So there's a couple of things that I gotta say that I got a little issue with, right? First of all, he's clearly been staying there for a little while, right? So if things were perfectly fine, he would be okay to be there. But now that he's, acting, he's a bug out or whatever, he's tripping out or they got a disagreement or whatever the case may be. Now all of a sudden, oh, he's an offender, the school is up the block or whatever. But if it was that big of a deal to you, as soon as he arrives, you would call. But that's not the case. It's only when he starts bugging out is now all the other things come about that you all of a sudden have an issue with. This is your brother. He's been an offender since the 90s. And clearly y'all been in contact for all this time. But now all of a sudden, since he's bugging out, now you want to bring up all that type of stuff. Like, come on. Like, you can't be... Like, be right down the middle. If you don't agree with it, hey, I don't want you around me. You know what I'm saying? Call the cop, hey, school is up the block, yada, yada. Like, but no, you don't do that. Only when you don't like something, now you want to bring that up. Like, get out of here with that, man.
No.
Why not?
What's going on today?
I'm finished smoking cigars.
Okay. Were you yelling and screaming inside at all?
Hell no, I've been outside.
Okay.
No, he was screaming at me out here.
Screaming at him outside?
Outside.
Okay. Can you shut that off so I can hear?
I'm outside.
I see you're outside. Were you yelling at her outside
No,
here?
I'm screaming at God. You know that.
Why are you screaming at God?
I'm truly in love.
What's that?
I'm in love.
You're in love? Okay, that's good. Unfortunately, though, you can't be screaming outside if it's causing a disturbance, and
I
you're...
didn't disturb anybody.
Well, you disturbed her, and that's why I'm here. She called us.
She didn't call you.
She did, yeah.
Dispatch didn't call you.
What?
Dispatch from downtown did not call you.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ed.
Can I see you so speaking?
No, you can't.
Oh, there's a real police officer.
Yeah,
That's a real sheriff.
thank God.
Yeah, what's he gonna do to you?
He's not going to do anything to me.
I don't know.
So, I don't know why we keep coming back here, Ed, to have,
But you
to
come
have
back for
issues
no
with you.
reason. You
Well-
chase me all over, you arrest me for no reason.
I'm here because they're
You didn't
claiming you were
sail
being
across-
disorderly.
They didn't sail me. Who let themselves out of there? I walked. They were right behind me.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ed.
Oh, what about that room you built?
I didn't build any
You built that
rooms.
fucker, huh? You're awful rude.
Are you feeling okay today, Ed?
Yes, sir. Hi,
Okay.
Hey, you are sheriff.
We were here yesterday because you
You're not. You're lying. Wasn't
You may have forgotten, but I was here yesterday, and
remember you.
yep, I was here.
I don't remember you.
So we can't continue to keep coming back here because
I don't
you're
know why he
out
does.
causing disturbances.
I haven't said shit, have I?
I wasn't here when you said anything, but they're claiming that you were out here yelling and screaming at
You
people.
said you weren't here.
Right. I don't understand what you're trying to say.
No,
Can you hang out with him for a minute? I'm going to talk to Mom inside.
The officer then went inside to speak with the tenants. They reported Edward was behaving very unruly and everyone in the house wanted him out.
I'll work on getting him out of here. Okay?
Thank you.
You bet. So Ed, according to everybody inside, you can't be here any longer.
Yep.
So do you have a place to go?
Yep. Sure do. I'll get there tomorrow.
Okay. Well, we're gonna be here until you're leaving because you can't be here anymore. So go ahead and collect your things, and you can start heading to wherever you're headed to.
Still got your room at the Quality, yeah?
Go ahead and collect your things, Ed.
I'm getting them right now. I'm smoking a cigar first.
What's that?
She said no.
Oh, yeah. Well, she just told me that she wants you to leave.
She said, why you? I
Well, my name's not Ed. She said I want Ed to leave.
I don't think she said that.
Do you have anything in the trailer there?
We're not gonna sit here while you smoke a cigar. You need to get up and collect your
Sir,
things and leave the
why are
property.
you sexually harassing me?
The alternative is going to be to go to jail for disorderly
You can't
conduct.
get back to jail again for no charges?
Disorderly conduct is a possibility.
I am not caught. You're the one, sir.
Well, I was called here.
He should not be talking about why you sexually harassed me. Listen, you got a questionable past, my boy. A real questionable past. Just don't even bring them words up, okay?
Because you were yelling and screaming at your sister, creating a disturbance. That's why we were called here. And we're willing to let you leave if you have somewhere else to go without going to jail, but if you're refusing to leave, then you're going to go to jail. I'd rather not do that. So that decision is yours, but I'd like you to make a smart decision and just get up, collect your things, and go wherever you want to go. I think that sounds pretty reasonable. Unfortunately, you don't have a while.
I have one thing, but I gotta figure out where I'm gonna go.
You said you had a place to go, right?
Where are you gonna take Tennessee?
320.
How about you don't think about our tennis shoes and you think about where you're going to go?
I'm trying, but you keep interrupting me. What?
Well, you need to move your body.
Why are you trying to get me? I have done nothing wrong. You arrested me last time for nothing.
I've never arrested you for anything. We need you to leave while we're here.
Why don't you pack while you think? Why don't you pack them up while you figure out where you're going to go?
I gotta think.
You can't think and pack at the same time?
No. I do one thing at a time.
Well, yeah, we're not gonna play games with you. We
Well,
need you
can
to
you-
get up and move, or
you
you're gonna
smoke and
come
think
with
at the
us.
same
What?
Do not get aggressive with us.
I ain't. I'm just standing.
Oh,
Baby.
you better get your act together.
You're gonna stay outside.
I don't know where you're gonna go. I'm going to house my family.
They don't want you inside.
You should have done. Open the door. Yeah.
Ed, you're not gonna go
I'll go
inside the
back.
house. You're not gonna go inside the house, Ed.
Ah, shit!
You're gonna get tased. Stop.
Tase
Stop.
Tase my Tase it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, yeah. Love that. What's the matter?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Relax.
Do it now.
Oh, yeah. I love it.
He ate that.
Put
That's
your hands
light.
behind your back.
No.
He
Put your
ate
hands
that
behind your
light.
back. Now.
Give me your hands.
904 taser deployed. Put your hands behind your back.
Give me your hands.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, he don't feel nothing
Put
on
your hands
that.
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now.
Give me your hands.
Put your hands behind your back.
You can't.
Put your hands behind your back.
What are you on?
Relax. Give me your hands.
Bob, what are you on? Bob, Lord's my brother.
Put your hands
Go
behind your
with that
back.
pole.
Jerry, help me out.
Do it now.
Get your hands behind your
Fuck. Oh my God, you're killing me.
Yeah,
Put
he
your
gonna
hands
feel.
behind your back.
He feel that pepper spray, boy.
Let go.
Oh, my God, man.
You got that one? Yep.
Why you get these f***ers? Gonna break my f***ers.
Relax.
I need a shredder. Ah! Oh, yeah, son of a bitch. Something tasses in my eyes. Ah, yeah. Help me. Help me, Ronnie. Please.
Stand up.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to steal my fanny bag, I bet. Arrest them! They're right, baby! Right in front of your eyes! They're down in my pocket! Good. Hey, look at the doing me. Got got it. He's on
Some probes quick.
That's fucking nice.
Let's walk over to the gray car there. Passenger side.
He ate that taser though, like.
Good start to a Sunday morning.
Did you get a good connection on those?
Yeah, he went through several cycles, but every time he would pull up the cord, so I'd have to deploy another probe.
What's he doing today?
Oh, not well. More aggressive today. He tried to, after we told him he had to leave and that he's going to get arrested if he didn't, he tried to get back into the house and then became resistive and wrapped both arms around that frickin' post of the deck there. They couldn't free him, so several cycles with the taser and spray, and he still fought until we forced him. You know, he didn't really. He'd get through a cycle and then he would rip the cords. You know, so I'd have to deploy another probe into him to get a connection, and then it'd go through another cycle, and he'd do the same thing. I'm gonna take him down to Gunderson for med clearance, and hopefully he'll. I mean, he seems a little calmer now, but just don't know he's going to jail and that he fought with us. They wanted him gone, and I think him going into the house is just going to give us more problems. Yep. Want your window down, Ed? We'll get your face rinsed off as soon as we get down to the hospital. All right, Ed, we're going to get you cleaned up, okay?
All right, take your time, sir. No, hey, I can get out.
Swing your feet out.
I can get out, sir. Don't help me.
I'm just going to help you so you don't fall over.
If you don't help me, I can get out a lot easier.
Okay.
We all can. We know how to get out. Oh, that's up to my shoe on there. Okay, not a problem.
All right.
Hey, how you doing?
During the arrest, the officer also sustained a laceration to his arm that required medical treatment.
Hey, Sheriff Department. I can get out.
Oh, okay, you got your
Oh,
seatbelt.
forgot.
Okay.
I can get it.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, Baldy, you in there? You saw me.
Right over here. There's a bench for you.
You want me to kneel so you can take these off?
Nope, you can have a seat.
You sure you want to take these off?
The jail staff will come and take those off.
All right.
As a result, Edward was charged with felony resisting an officer causing injury, misdemeanor counts of disorderly conduct, bail jumping, and he was subsequently released on a $1,000 signature bond. As of July 25th, the court determined that Edward was not competent to stand trial. He has been ordered to undergo treatment, and the case has been suspended until January 2025 to reassess his competency.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.